Okay, let's go to the vehicle and let's do the hands-on demonstrations that we promised you during the seminar. What we're doing in this test here is we're taking a pyrometer. Remember during the presentation we talked about looking at the temperature before into the inlet side of the catalytic converter and of course on the outlet. If you look at the temperature pyrometer right now, you'll notice the inlet temperature of the cat is roughly about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So remember we said the outlet temperature should typically be 25 to 50 degrees hotter than the inlet temperature. Let's take the pyrometer, we'll go to the outlet port here of the cat, and let's go ahead and get the reading. Now as you recall, we were at 400 degrees Fahrenheit inlet side of the cat, so we typically want to be 25 to 50 degrees hotter on the outlet. So let's see what the pyrometer shows us. So you can see there's a 25 degrees difference, and you can see it's still climbing a little bit. Now remember, that's not an ironclad test to determine if the cat efficiency is good. That might be a good initial test, but it's not ironclad, especially if you have high CO or high HC readings come out of that cat. The temperature reading is a good test initially, but it's not, here again, ironclad proof that the cat is working.